Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are Group 1. In this video, we are going to present about biosensor for alcohol detection in sanitizer.
The current COVID pandemic has changed the way we live. We now have a whole new concept of constitute the new normal. Frequent use of hand sanitizer and frequent hand washing is one of the most important lifestyle changes in the new normal. These sanitizer have high level of ethyl alcohol and isopropyl alcohol and also an antibacterial ingredient. They are effective in killing the virus but can also affect the skin adversely. To choose an effective hand sanitizer, people can look for alcohol concentration of 60% or higher. Due to this new normal, we decided to make a project for alcohol detection in hand sanitizer. This is our team member, Muhammad Amir Arshad bin Ishaq, Emilia Natasha binti Samsudin, Abdul Rahim bin Ismail, Shazla Nur Ain binti Hishamuddin. A huge thank you to Dr. Muhammad Hafiz bin Jali, our supervisor, for helping our group to complete our task. This is the objective for our project. Our first objective is to fabricate the circuit and hardware of the sensor. We also analyze and calibrate the sensor according to the alcohol concentration level. Our last objective is to verify the accuracy of the sensor. In this topic, we will discuss about alcohol-based sanitizer. Sanitizer is a substance or product that is used to reduce or eliminate pathogenic agents such as bacteria on surfaces. During this current pandemic, using of hand sanitizer throughout the whole world, specialty alcohol-based sanitizer playing a vital role in care non-COVID-19 circumstances. It has been well-known fact that sanitizer is used for killing and decreasing the bacteria and viruses in our hand. The Center for Disease Control recommend that people use hand sanitizer when soap and water are not available. Frequent use of hand sanitizer often result in dry skin, redness of the skin, and in some extreme cases, eczema of the skin. Hand sanitizer with less than 60% ethanol or non-ethanol based sanitizer may not be as effective as killing a variety of bacteria, viruses, fungi, or microbes. In this video, we will explain what to look when choosing a hand sanitizer and how much it needs to contain to be effective. This video also will explain on how the biosensor detects the concentration level in sanitizer and demonstration of the developed sensor. This project will display a percentage of alcohol concentration on display board. Percentage of alcohol used in sanitizer for our project. Dettol for 66% of alcohol. Esmet for 70% of alcohol. Skyguard for 70% of alcohol.
We put a drop of sanitizer on the glass and LED as the light source. When alcohol concentration increase, reflective index of the sanitizer layer on the surface become larger as compared to the glass substrates. This leads to smaller light leakage when concentration increase. Photodetector will detect the light. Therefore, more light reach to photodetector when concentration increase. This will increase the output voltage from photodetector.
These are the three sanitizers we use in our project. First, we use Dettol. As you can see on the digital board, it will display 66% of alcohol with voltage output 0.25 volts. Next, we use SMD. On the digital board, it displays exactly 70% alcohol with voltage output 0.31 volts. Lastly, we use Skyguard. As you can see on the digital board, it displays exactly 75% alcohol with voltage output 0.33 volt. This is our growth strategy. The reason we chosen this project is because we want to acknowledge and alert people about the percentage of alcohol in sanitizer. We also noticed some manufacturers might claim false content in their sanitizer. Some people have allergy with alcohol. High concentration of alcohol will dry out their skin, but lower percentage of alcohol are not effective to kill pathogens. So they have to choose wisely which sanitizer to be used. Due to this, what and why, we decided to develop a biosensor to detect concentration of alcohol on sanitizer. As you can see, this is our timeline for one semester. On 17 March, we have to be grouped and the title has been discussed. On the month of April, we have done 5 minutes of meeting and submitted to our supervisor. On May, we started our project. During June, we submitted our proposal and did an interview with our supervisor. The CDC recommends to use hand sanitizer containing a minimum concentration of 60% alcohol or ethanol. This is because hand sanitizer containing between 60 to 95% alcohol kills more effectively than hand sanitizer with lower alcohol concentration or sanitizer with no alcohol at all. Frequent use of hand sanitizer can also cause the skin immediately surrounding the nails to get inflamed and swollen. Hand sanitizer with less than 60% ethanol or non-ethanol based sanitizer may not be as effective as killing a variety of bacteria, viruses, fungi or microbes. They may also limit microbes from growing rather than killing them. This is why we decided to develop a biosensor project to detect the percentage of alcohol in sanitizer. We do hope that this project will be useful to the society. Thank you.